Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery drain on iOS 18. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the battery. And now identify high usage apps. Disable those apps to preserve battery alive. Also, you can enable adaptive power and adaptive power notifications. When your battery usage is higher than usual, iPhone can extend battery life by making performance adjustment. In the end, go to display settings. Here you can disable always on display and lower brightness level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.